Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Unemployment types can be tricky, but we will solve this chronological sequence fast. Let's break down Nadia's career path to find the right order together. Nadia's first job as a travel agent was replaced by online booking sites. This is structural unemployment because her specific skills were no longer needed due to changes in technology. Next, she spent 6 months searching for a new position after earning her accounting degree. This period of searching for a job that matches her new skills is called frictional unemployment. Finally, she was laid off due to a recession. Since this loss resulted from an economic downturn, it is classified as cyclical unemployment. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of economic shifts and trust given definitions to avoid a rush.